How to cut grapefruit with F& Sharp. Cutting this citrus is just as easy as any other. For this task, I'm choosing the F& Sharp utility knife. Maybe on a smaller citrus, I would go for the paring knife. This is the right one for me. After cutting off one of the ends to make a flat bottom, placing that face side down on the cutting board, starting towards the top, working around the curvature of the grapefruit, I'm cutting away at the peel, exposing some of the flesh. This one, as you can see, has quite a thick pith. You're going to gauge how deep you go in with your utility knife, depending on how far you see that pith. Once you're done working your way around the edges, work your way onto each end, cutting away, and then clean up any areas that you need to. Take your knife and running along that white vein, you're going to slice down at an angle, creating a wedge, and you're going to be able to pull the flesh away from the membrane. Visit fnsharp.com for more.